I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick and easy enchiladas. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need tortillas, either corn or flour, your choice of protein like cooked shredded chicken or seasoned ground beef, and a delicious enchilada sauce. Don't forget plenty of shredded cheese, such as cheddar or Monterey Jack, to make them extra gooey and flavorful. Having everything ready makes the assembly process super smooth. Now for the fun part, assembly. Start by warming your tortillas for about 1 minute in the microwave, which makes them easier to roll without cracking. Spread a thin layer of enchilada sauce on the bottom of your baking dish. Then, fill each tortilla with your protein mixture and a generous amount of cheese. Roll them up tightly and arrange them seam side down in the prepared dish. Repeat until your dish is full. Once all your enchiladas are rolled, pour the remaining enchilada sauce over them, ensuring they are well covered. Top with even more shredded cheese for that perfect golden, bubbly crust. Bake your enchiladas in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Let them cool slightly, then garnish with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or sliced avocado before serving. Enchiladas are incredibly versatile, so feel free to get creative. Try different fillings such as black beans, roasted vegetables, or even shrimp for a unique twist. You can also adjust the spice level by adding diced jalapenos or a dash of your favorite hot sauce to the filling or sauce. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks, plus other great deals to enhance your kitchen experience and beyond. Enjoy your delicious, homemade enchiladas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.